In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a mason jar and decorate it for the fall. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm so excited about today's craft project because today we're going to take a mason jar and we're going to create a fall decorative piece. So what are the items that you need in order to craft this project? You're going to need your scissors, glue, tape, paint, glitter, any and everything that you feel is fall related. A few other suggestions that I suggest are these silk leaves. These silk leaves are actually purchased from Amazon. You can use the link in my description below that would take you over to my Amazon store. And there, if you click on Fall Mason Jar Project, all of the different items that you can use is listed right there. So check out the link below. These pine cones, I actually picked from the pine cone tree. Well, actually, they fell down on the ground. But these pine cones are definitely an additional piece that will bring fall to your mason jar. You can use ribbon and any and everything else that you possibly can think of in order to create your mason jar fall decorative piece. Popcorn kernels, potpourri, and coffee beans are some more ideas that you can use to fill up your jar. And don't forget the candle. Add a candle. If you do not want to use a real candle, you can use these tea light candles. I love these tea lights because when you turn them on, they flicker just like a candle. All right, that's enough talking. It's time to roll up my sleeves and let's get crafting. All right, so for this mason jar fall decorative piece, I'm going to be using my silk leaves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place one right there and one right here. To adhere them to my mason jar, I'm going to be using double-sided tape. So I'm going to go ahead and put some tape right there, straight onto the mason jar. Okay. And then I'm going to flip my leaf over and I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the back of my leaf. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it onto my jar, just like that. My other silk leaf, I'm going to go ahead and put double-sided tape on the back. Another piece like that. I'm going to go ahead and put it like that. Then I'm going to press down the leaves just to make sure they're all sticking to the glass jar. And then right here, I noticed that it's kind of sticking up just a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off another piece of double-sided tape and place it right there. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and put a piece right there. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my jar right side up. And I'm going to go ahead and take the top off the jar. Now right here are my miniature pine cones. And I'm going to go ahead and just place them in my jar. Going to give it a little shake just so that it can kind of be even. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my tea lights, turn it on, and go ahead and place it in the center of my jar. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on my jar. There's so many different ways that you can decorate your mason jar. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to take your mason jar and make it decorative for fall. All right, let's get back to the video and I'm gonna show you exactly how I finished up my mason jar. Taking my burlap ribbon, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it around my mason jar. Here is my mason jar fall decorative piece. I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.